In 2025, digital marketing is no longer about working harder. It's about working smarter. Automation has become the secret weapon behind the biggest brands, fastest-growing creators, and the most profitable online businesses. So today, I'll show you the best automation tools you should be using in 2025. Tools that save time, boost conversions, and help your business run on autopilot. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, a content creator, an agency, or a business owner, these tools will transform the way you run your marketing. Let's start with one of the most powerful platforms in the digital world, ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign has been a leader in marketing automation for years, and in 2025, it's still unmatched. This tool combines advanced email marketing with intelligent automation workflows that adapt to user behavior. You can create automated sequences for every situation: welcome emails, lead nurturing, upsells, abandoned carts, and even affiliate follow-up campaigns. What makes ActiveCampaign special is its deep segmentation. It tracks what your audience clicks, what they ignore, and how they move through your funnel, then sends the perfect message at the right time. For anyone running a digital business or promoting products online, ActiveCampaign helps you convert more leads with less effort. Next is HubSpot Marketing Hub, a massive platform that gives you everything in one place: CRM, landing pages, automation, analytics, content tools, and powerful email campaigns. If you're planning to scale your business, HubSpot becomes your central control system. It tracks every contact, every click, and every interaction across your website, emails, and ads. With its visual workflow builder, you can create complex multi-step journeys that feel effortless. It's more expensive than most tools, but if you're building a brand you want to grow long-term, HubSpot can streamline everything. Now let's talk about Customer I/O, a favorite among marketers who want personalization at the highest level. This tool doesn't just rely on email lists, it tracks how users behave in real time. It can send emails, SMS messages, and push notifications based on actions like when a user signs up, when they visit a page, when they download something, or when they become inactive. This level of behavioral tracking lets you send super personalized messages that feel relevant and timely. For SaaS businesses, apps, and digital marketers who want precision, Customer I/O is an excellent choice. Automation isn't complete without Zapier, the tool that acts like a bridge between all your apps. No matter what software you use, Zapier connects it. You can build automations like when someone fills a form, add them to your CRM, send a welcome email, create a tag, notify your team, all without writing a single line of code. If you want your business to run efficiently in 2025, Zapier becomes your behind-the-scenes assistant that works 24/7. Next is Encharge, a rising star in the automation world, especially for digital marketers, tool reviewers, SaaS founders, and affiliate marketers. Encharge focuses on event-based automation. This means you can track exactly what users do inside your funnel and trigger actions instantly. It integrates with payment platforms, course platforms, email systems, and landing page builders, making it a powerful central hub for anyone selling digital products. Now for one of the most advanced platforms, Insider. This tool is used by large brands that want to deliver personalized experiences across multiple channels at once. You can automate email, SMS messages, push notifications, WhatsApp messages, website personalization, AI recommendations, and full customer journeys. Insider's biggest strength is its artificial intelligence. It predicts what users are likely to do next and adjusts your campaigns automatically. If you want enterprise-level automation in 2025, this tool is a game changer. Before we end, here's a bonus tool every digital marketer should use. Metricool and Okoya are all-in-one social media automation platforms. They let you schedule posts, generate captions with AI, analyze performance, and manage content across all platforms. These tools replace multiple apps, save hours of manual work, and keep your social presence consistent. In 2025, automation is no longer optional. It's the key to scaling faster, creating more content, and building a business that runs smoothly even when you're not working. Have you used any of the above tools? Tell me in the comments. Like the video and subscribe for more digital marketing tools and AI automation tips.